Hey guys, so it's October 2nd, little kind of a slow, lazy Saturday morning. Yesterday I got the bush hog all hooked up and figured out how to use it, and I really got a lot of work done, maybe about 2 hours yesterday. So I'm just kind of walking over there to show you guys how much I got done and what I thought about it. So we'll head over there. See here, I cleared out all that down on the inside there. I even pulled out quite a few of the larger trees here with the tractor bucket. I was able to just push them right over, which is kind of nice, because I thought I was gonna have to cut those down with a chainsaw and stump grind the stumps and all of that. So that worked out real good. I got all down in here and made quite a big piece of progress in just 2 hours. Yeah, today the plan is to just keep working at getting all this underbrush cut down and yeah, getting as much of this out of here as I can, because when I go to cut down all these bigger trees, I'm gonna need to be able to actually access them. And also nobody's gonna come out and give me estimates on the concrete until they can actually get back here and look at it. So that's what we're doing. Yesterday, actually, when I was cutting all this down, I came across quite a large dump site, a bunch of trash that got left here before. One of the things about buying heavily forested land is you never really know what you're gonna find in there. I ran over this piece of metal here. I'm not really sure what this is. You can see that it ate it up pretty good. Luckily, it didn't break anything. The blades can get a little banged up, I guess, but from all the research I've done, you can just sharpen them up with an angle grinder. So not too concerned about that, but I do need to be a little more careful backing into things and looking out for giant metal pieces. So, because I mean, that could have, gotten in the tire and popped the tire, or something worse, I don't know. So learning experience for sure, but it's doing a good job, as you can see. Hopefully I'll get a lot of progress done today. Hey, what's up guys? It's October 5th, and yesterday I kind of got to the point, I was working on clearing all the spot there where the shop's gonna be, and I got to the point where I couldn't really keep pushing all of the stuff that I was cutting down into a pile, because it was just getting so in the way that it was getting too crowded. So I kind of reluctantly today decided that I needed to at least try to burn some of this stuff to get it out of the way, because it was just getting too freaking crowded in there to work and like be able to move around and everything. So you saw on the video earlier, I tried to start a fire over where I was actually working. That way I didn't have to drag everything so far, but that didn't work. It's too wet. It's been raining a lot. All that stuff is freshly cut. So I had a burn pile over here that I was kind of hoping I could take over there to burn. But this one's been drying for a lot longer, so you can see it actually started up, and I've got a pretty good fire going. So I'm pretty sure this is hot enough to where I can start throwing the wet stuff on and it'll burn. That's kind of what I've been learning here when it comes to burning stuff, is just you gotta get it hot enough to dry out the wet stuff. So I was lucky enough and this was dry, so I think what I'm gonna do now is exactly what I didn't want to do, is fire up the tractor and drag all that stuff over to this burn pile, just so I can get it out of the way. Because right now at this point, I can't get into any of the areas that I need to continue cleaning up because there's just too much stuff in the way. So it is what it is. It's gonna be a little extra work, but good thing I have a tractor to help me out with it. So we'll get started on that. Yeah, I got a little ambitious a minute ago. I pushed down a big tree about this wide and then kind of fell onto the tractor, and I was worried that I was gonna bust one of the hydraulics. So learning learning a lot with tractors. They're not as easy as I had thought when I was a kid. So you know, I'm gonna be a little bit more careful now. But yeah, I'm just trying to clear all of this stuff out so I can continue with the tractor. It's like an old Chevy hood to me. Pretty beat up. It's worth saving for anything. Today I got a package in the mail from one of our fans here at the Lucky Needle, Ron Henningsen. He emailed me saying he was sending me something for my shop to hopefully get me motivated to get it done sooner than later. So let's see what he sent me. Oh, looks like some cool posters. Definitely gonna hang these up in the new shop. I'll make a little wall for all of the stuff that people send me. Looks like a bunch of old car show posters. These are pretty neat. Cool. Well, thank you, Ron. Now I'm really need to get this dang shop built, so I appreciate it. I'll see you guys soon. Hey, what's up guys? Just a little update. It's October 10th, and last time my brother was out here, he was using the tractor. He had so much fun, he decided to come back and help me. So that's what we're doing today. He's working on the tractor, and I'm manning the chainsaw. So we're gonna really get a lot of work done now. Anyways, that's what I'm working on. I'm super excited. Thanks for joining. I'll keep you guys posted. Alright, if you like that video and you want to see another one, make sure you click to your right here. And don't forget about all the courses we have available at the Lucky Needle. Click here in the corner to get more information. And don't forget to subscribe right here.